name is Paul.
Everyone, I'm Constance.
But it's both easy and convenient. Step 1. The packaging your smart
G'day, my name is Tiana. I've been part of the Chamberlain family since 2008. Today, I will be showing you how to decoupage a door. For this project, you will need decoupage paper, decoupage medium, masking tape, sponge roller, sanding block, paintbrush, container with water and your white paint, and your door. I already pre-painted my door with white chalk paint. I'm going to secure my tissue paper on the door. Just put a small piece of masking tape to secure your design. Once secured, you will take a decoupage medium, add a little bit to the tray. Start by applying a little bit of the medium directly to the door. Make sure you flatten your product and then apply the medium on top of the design. Make sure that you cover the whole area and don't miss any spots. Once your first coat is done, you'll wait 60 minutes for it to dry before we apply the second coat. Once you have applied your second coat and allowed it to dry, you will sand the edges. I'm using a 100 grit sanding block. Once you have done the sanding, you can apply a coat of armor to your door. It will make your door water resistant and UV resistant. And there you have it, our finished decoupage door. Thank you for watching. For any of the products used in this project or more expert advice, please visit any of our 9 Chamberlain stores, where a friendly expert is waiting to assist. Chamberlain, famous for hardware since 1903.